EV3 has quite a lot of memory, but every time you download a program, it uses up some of that memory. And at some point, you may fill it up and have to delete some programs. This isn't really a problem because hopefully you've been saving copies of all of your programs on your computer. And if you delete one of those programs from your EV3 and then want to run it again later, you can always just download it again. In this lesson, I'll show you how to free up some space on your EV3. Actually, you already know one easy way to clean out all the programs on your EV3. Just do a firmware update. We did that back in the second week of class. But updating the firmware wipes everything, and you may just want to delete some of the programs. That's what this lesson's about. I happen to know that the memory on this EV3 here is pretty full. Let's see what happens when I try and download a new program. So I've just got a project here called Animal Sounds with a number of sounds on it. And I'm going to hit the download button and let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see a couple of things have happened. We don't have a green light here anymore. And on the screen over here, there's a little warning triangle with an exclamation point in it, and it says 100%, which is supposed to kind of tell you that your memory's at 100%. And also, there's a little check mark here, and that check mark just means, well, push the center button to say okay to this message that you got. There's a couple of ways you can deal with this. One is that you switch over to the computer and I click on the Open Memory Browser. Of course, my USB cable is plugged in. And you can see here's all my projects. Let me close up Animal Sounds for a minute. I just double clicked on there. But I've got a whole bunch of projects here, and you can see it doesn't say that it doesn't look totally full, but it's complaining that it's full. Maybe it couldn't get all of the Animal Sounds project down. So I can click on the Animal Sounds project and hit delete. And it'll refresh the file list. I happen to know that Chris Loop 2 is really big. We could delete that one. Whew, there you go. Now I got loads of space. You can also remove programs directly on and projects directly on the EV3 itself. Let's suppose I want to get rid of this water level project. I can click. If I want to get rid of the whole project, you can see the project has a couple of programs, some sounds, some pictures. But if I just want to get rid of the whole project, I can push the center button again, and it'll give me, that's a little trash can icon. And if I select that again, it says, do I want to trash it or no? Well, yes, I do want to trash it. So there you go. All gone.